What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Listen, I need to make this video because I need to protect some of you guys from making a horrible mistake. And that horrible mistake is listening to the naysayers and the pumpers. These two people will cost you money every time. I made a video, I'm going to leave a post here. I made it last night when crypto absolutely went on a rip. But I want to clarify something and be ultra clear on what I'm saying. The reason I'm making this video is you have some people telling you there's only one way to make money with crypto. Anytime you hear anybody in the stock market or cryptocurrencies tell you there's only one way, do not listen to them. They have no idea what they're talking about. They're new. They've been trading for 6 days and they want to, oh no, you just buy and you huddle. It's this is this and you're a fool if you sell. Listen, never listen to anyone. Now, I'm not talking about for those of you that left a comment and you said, hey, well, why wouldn't you do this? That's for discussion. But these guys are adamant. And one particular guy says, You're crazy. You're an idiot. Whenever you hear anybody use the word clown, the clown said it. But listen, I want to show you guys something and I want to tell you, I've been doing this too long. All right. And I want you guys to understand. I always say, consider the source. So I want to show you a chart of all cryptocurrency. And then I'm going to explain fully what I'm talking about. And this is going to help you make money. So if you look here, right, if you bought Cardano, okay, ADA, right? So we were buying down here, right? This is just a total crypto market capitalization, right? That's all this chart is. But let's just say that this is ADA, right? Which is running right now, Cardano. Right now, Cardano has hit an all-time high of $2.97. I'm going to give you my price prediction right off the bat. I said and have been saying for months that it will hit $5, right? Now, I think it's going to hit $5 by the end of this year, all right? And I didn't say by the end of the bull cycle. I said by the end of this year, I see $5. By the end of the bull circle, Cardano could, I hope it proves me wrong and go to $10. But there again, you don't want to listen to people that say it's going to be $150 by the end of this year. Okay, don't listen to those people. They're going to cost you money. Consider the source, right? They're 40 years old, living in their mother's basement and never moved out. All right. I'm sorry. I got to be a little different today because these people got me fired up because they're going to cost you guys money. Right. So let's look at this and clearly you'll see my point. So if you buy, let's say you buy Cardano right now, let's say Cardano is here right now, right? Let's say Cardano is right there on the chart. This is 2018, but let's just say that's where we are right now because it's $3 and let's say hypothetically it's running to $5. So let's just say it's right there right now, right? So now, if you're new, you don't have any Cardano, you get ready to buy some Cardano, we bought it down here, you're buying it up here, right? So then what'll happen is it tops out. Somebody's going to buy it at the top. It happens every time, right? And what happens is when there's a pullback, right? What happens is they bought up here and then they sell down here. So you've locked in a loss, right? What I'm saying at this current price is there's more than one way to make money. You can swing trade it and make money. So here's what I'm doing. In my Coinbase app, I'm dollar cost averaging in every day from now until the 10th. And I might go into the 12th. Why? Smart contracts are coming in on the 12th, right? So it's kind of the buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal. Now, the Cardano that I bought at $1, I'm holding that throughout. But the Cardano that I'm going to buy that's close to, that I think is close to the top, I could sell that Cardano and then wait for crypto winter and then take that money and reinvest it and buy it back in right here. So you're going to make more money. Ray Charles could see that with Stevie Wonder pointing it out. I don't understand what people are, you never sell. That is not true. Don't listen to those people. They have no idea what they're doing. They're going to make you guys lose money. So what I don't want you guys to do is, I don't want a bunch of people taking all their money and buying it up here. It's going to cost you money. So we kept buying it every time it went down to $1. I said, hey, here's where we're going to buy. Here's what we're going to buy. So we're buying it. Suggestion now, remember, I'm not your financial advisor, right? So now we're here. I think we're here. Now, I could be wrong. No one knows exactly and how much, right? So what I'm trying to say is, then the Cardano that you buy at this price point, I believe you're going to get a better price point, which will be down here. So let's say crypto winter comes, crypto winter, not solar crypto, I mean winter, but crypto winter comes, and you could lose 80% with crypto going into crypto winter. Let's just say it falls 70% and you go into crypto winter. What happens to the ones that you bought at this price point at the top? So what I'm trying to do is, the ones that I bought down here, I'm keeping. I'm keeping it during the winter. Doesn't matter. I'm just going to keep it long term. I'm going to try to take profits up here at the ones that I'm buying now at $2.97 and $3 and beyond. I'm going to ride that up till I think it's going to be a pullback. Now, if it goes to $5, I'm going to start looking at taking some profits. And if it seems like it has more room to run, we're going to monitor it. Then I'm going to ride it back up. I'll ride it even higher to $7. But at some point, I'm going to do some profit taking, because when crypto winter comes, it may crash 80%. And then if that happens, I'm going to cash out up here, hopefully, and then buy back in here. And I'm going to dollar cost average in all through crypto winter. Larry, how do you do that? So here's what I say. You could either, you know how many you bought at the lower price, right? Then the extra that you're adding now at $3, you can just take that amount and do profit taking with that amount. What I'm doing now is I'm dollar cost averaging in my Coinbase app all the way through. So I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in, and I'm even buying at the $3 and $4 and $5 price because I'm dollar cost averaging. But the crypto, the Cardano that I'm buying at these prices, I'm going to try to sell at some point. Now, in my Webull app, I'm not dollar cost averaging in my Webull app. I'm waiting for a pullback, a slight pullback, because there'll probably be a slight pullback. It's not going to go straight up. There's going to be some volatility. So as soon as it pulls back, I'm going to take money in my Webull app, and I'm going to do one heavy purchase. It's all about price point. So it's not one size fit all, good people. Somebody's going to buy Cardano at $5 while we bought it at $1. Our stories are totally different. So our strategies have to be totally different, good people. And so I just want you to look at this and think about it, because what I don't want you to do is buy a ton of shares at $5, because I believe for long term, I believe you'll have a better price point. Now, having said that, check this out, good people. Let's say you did buy it here and crypto winter came, right? What do? You don't panic sell. Here's where I agree with some of the comments. You don't panic sell here. You be patient and you wait winter out. As a matter of fact, you dollar cost average here, because what happens in the next bull market? Ping. And so clearly you could see how one size does not fit all. So I'm going to say it again, good people. Always, always, always consider the source, all right? I'm helping some of you guys, not all of you guys, there's some of you guys been in it before I have, to quote unquote get to the promised land. Now that we are getting here, let's not lose focus and start doing foolish trades now. Let's be wise investors and continue to kill it, good people, because that's what we've been doing with these crypto moves. Okay? And so I am set for long term, and I'm doing some swinging, and I'm going to get a better price point. All right? So good people, if you understand what I'm saying, please leave me a comment. And please, whenever you see or hear anybody say, there's only one way, they're not wise, okay? And don't listen to someone that has no idea of what they're talking about, all right? And unfortunately, they have the loudest mouths. They're the most vocal. Oh, you gotta do it this way. Okay, how's that been working for you? All right, good people. So, hey, I want you to look at this video because I am going to give you a message behind this because it's Monday. I usually do it on Sunday because it's Monday. I want you to understand this in life as a general. There are some people in this world that are trying to steal all your joy. They want to steal all your money, and they are happy when you are miserable. Okay? God's got a blessing for you, and they're trying to block your blessing, just like this video. So it's your birthday. You bought Cardano at $1. Now it's $3 going to $5. And it's your birthday. The cake is set before you. And just take this in all aspects of life. And you go to celebrate you, and you have somebody trying to block. See, those are the people that are blockers, okay? And they're blocking both ways. They're telling you there's only one way. Don't do it. You never sell. Those are those people that's trying to blow out your candles on your cake. Or they're the people that go, oh, buy it at $8 or buy it at $5 because it's going to 150 in 3 hours. They're trying to block your blessing. Don't let the devil steal your joy. Don't let brokers keep you broke. Consider the source, good people. I'm sorry, I'm really passionate about this because I don't want one of you guys to lose a penny, right? And no one can do this exact, but I want you guys to make as much money as you can. Right. I got links below. You already know. Go down, download the Coinbase link because there's a ton of money to be made in crypto. They're going to give you some free Bitcoin, watching some training videos. They're going to actually train you on how to use the platform and what some of the cryptos are. So my link is below. That helps the page. And then Coinbase. I'm really pushing Coinbase because there's still money to be made in the stock market, and you could swing trade crypto in Coinbase. All right. I just speak the truth, good people, whether it sounds good or not. And if I just sat here and pump without any and I just show you the green without showing you the red, I'm not doing you guys a service. I want results. I want you wealthy. I want results. I want somebody knocking it out of the park. That's what I want. That's what brings me joy. And these knuckleheads, don't worry about them. I got them. All right, good people. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. I hear y'all. I'm gonna chill now. I'm gonna cool out. Peace.